Hey, good morning class. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine in your home. So dear student, myself Anil Adhikari, PGT Math from DPS Lamachod, and today we are going to discuss about exercise 7.3 of permutation and combination. In my last video I have discussed what is permutation and permutation when all the objects are distinct and permutation when some objects are of the same kind. So now it's time to go through the questions and apply our knowledge regarding permutation while solving the questions. So let's start from question number first. So dear student, question number first is, how many 3-digit numbers can be formed by using the digit 1 to 9 if no digit is repeated? Okay, so first question is, we have digits from 1 to 9. Okay, we have 1 to 9 digit. There are like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. These are digits which we have, and we have to make 3-digit number. Okay, we have to make 3-digit number, 3 digits number by using all these numbers. Okay, but what is the condition? No digit is repeated. Repetition is not allowed. Okay, repetition allowed नहीं है यहाँ पे. Repetition is not allowed. So you can solve this question by two methods. First, using the formula of permutation, and the second, filling the box method. Okay, I am going to tell you by both the methods. Method first, we have how many options? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 digit you have, and you have to make 3-digit number. So 9p3 are the required permutations. Okay, when repetition is not allowed, I have told you earlier, there are two formulae. Okay, if repetition is allowed, then the formula is n to the power r, and if repetition is not allowed, then the formula is npr. Okay, so here repetition is not allowed, so the number of permutations we have out of 9 given objects, taking 3 at a time, is 9p3. So apply the formula 9 factorial upon 9 minus 3 factorial, that is 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5, 9 minus 3, that is 6 factorial. So you no need to expand it till 5 factorial. Okay, 9 minus 3, 6 factorial, and 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. In 6 factorial and 6 factorial got cancel out. So what is the required answer? 9 into 8 into 7, that is 9 8 ja 7 to 2 multiply 7. There are 504 arrangements. Okay, 504 arrangement. Yeah, you can say 504 numbers. Okay, when repetition is not allowed. Second method. What is the second method? Second method is known as filling the vacant space, either you can say filling the box method. So how many 3-digit number you have to make? Okay, 3-digit number you have to make. So you will make 3 boxes, 1 2 and 3. Now repetition is not allowed. So what are the possible number of options to fill this first box? So there are 9 options to fill this box. Since repetition is not allowed, so one option is less for the second box, because repetition is not allowed, so one number is fixed here. So you have only 8 options to fill the second box, and since 2 numbers are fixed on 2 boxes, so you have reduced 2 options already reduced. So what will be the number of options to fill this box? There are 7 options. Okay, so total number of permutation are 9 into 8 into 7, that is 9 into 8 into 7, that is 504. So students, there are 2 methods. Either you can say the first method by the formula, and second method by filling the box. In both condition you get the same answer. Okay, so pause the video and take the screenshot. Now coming to the question number second. Before coming to question number second, let me remind you, dear student, I have earlier told you permutations in 2 cases. permutations. First case, when all the objects are distinct, and second case, when all the objects are not distinct. Okay, and here again comes two cases. Case first, when repetition is allowed, then what will be the number of permutations? n. रिपीटिशन अगर अलाउड होगा तो फार्मूला क्या होगा, n to the power r. ओके, एंड सेकेंड केस, व्हेन रिपीटिशन is not allowed, so what will be the formula for finding the permutation? NPR. okay, and here when all the objects are not distinct, then there are two cases. First, suppose out of n objects, p objects are of same kind. Okay, p objects are of same kind, then what will be the number of permutation? Permutation will be n factorial upon p factorial. Second, suppose out of n given objects, p1 are of one kind, p2 are of second kind, and dash 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 pk are of kth kind, then what will be the number of permutations? The number of permutations will be total n factorial given elements and n factorial upon p1 factorial into p2 factorial dash 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 and so on pk factorial. Okay, so this is basically the concept of permutation. Okay, permutations in your class, there is only two kind of permutations, we have to learn it. The first one is when all the objects are different. It means when you have given the objects are all given, all different. By the all objects are distinct means you have, suppose you have given a letter, suppose you have given SCHOOL, suppose, and another rose. So see what is the difference between these two letters. In letter rows all the alphabet are different, so here we are going to apply these kind of formula. Okay, because when all the objects are distinct, then we have two formulae. When repetition is allowed, then n to the power r. When the repetition is not allowed, then NPR are the formulae for finding the permutations. But while in case of school, if we have given a word school and we have to say that how many permutations can be there using the letters of the word school, then you can easily check here. There are two O in this word, so we can say that this is a kind of permutation when all the objects are not distinct, some objects are of same kind. So here we have this option, okay, to solve the formula. Okay, so this is the, you can say, the chart of permutation. Okay, you can take the screenshot of this so that you can easily learn it. Now coming to question number second. Okay, question number second, how many four digit numbers, question number second is how many 4 digit numbers are there with no digit repeated. Numbers are there with repetition is not allowed. is not allowed. So dear students, here total number of total given numbers are not seen here. The question is how many 4-digit numbers are there with no repetition allowed. ठीक है, how many 4-digit numbers are there with repetition is not allowed. Repetition allowed नहीं है and we have to make 4-digit number. So what are the options? So in this question we will take the options from 0 to 9. Okay, we have given, as we suppose that we have given 0 to 9 numbers. So how many numbers are there including 0 and 9? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So there are 10 digits. Okay, 10 digits available here. So out of these 10, ठीक है, we have to make a 4-digit number. So first method, which is formula method, we have 10 options. Okay, we have 10 options, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we have to make 4-digit number. So what is the permutation? 10p4. Okay, so 10p4 कितना हो जाएगा बेटा? 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 4 factorial, that is 10 factorial upon 10 minus 4, which is 6 factorial, that is 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial divided by 6. 6 cancel out, 10 into 9 into 8 into 7, so 90 into 56, 0, 5040. Okay, 5040. But in this condition there are some numbers in which the thousand place can be filled with 0. I mean to say we are having 10 objects, 10 digits, and out of 10 we are taking 4 to make 4-digit number. But what if the 1, 2, 3, we have to make 4-digit number. So 4 boxes are here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what if there is 0 in thousand place? This is ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So if thousand place will be filled with 0, then the number will be 3-digit. Then the number will be of 3-digit, because अगर यहाँ 0 आ जाएगा बेटा, तो सपोज करिए एक नंबर ऐसा है, ठीक है, तो क्या ये 4-digit का होगा? 0, 1, 2, 5 4-digit का होगा? नहीं. ऐसी 0, 2, 5, 6, this is not 4-digit number, and again 0, 6, 5, 1. ठीक है. So there are so many cases when the 0 will be at thousand place. So what should we do? In this total number are all, this number include all the numbers in which 0 comes at thousand place. So we have to make, since we have to make 4-digit number, so we have to subtract some numbers from this amount. So which numbers we have to reduce? If we are going to reduce 0, then we have option 9, and we have to make we have to make how many digit numbers? 3-digit numbers. Suppose out of 9 elements, out of 9 digit, we have to make 3-digit number. So what are the possible number of arrangement? There is 9p3. So we have to subtract 9p3 from 10p4. Okay, so 10p4 minus 9p3, that is 10 factorial upon 10 minus 4, 6 factorial, minus 9 factorial upon 9 minus 3, 9 minus 3, 6 factorial. Okay, so 1 upon 6 factorial is common, 10 factorial minus 9 factorial, है ना. So what will be the possible number of elements? कितने हो जाएंगे भाई? 10 minus 4 6, 9 minus 3 6. ओके, 9 minus 3 6 हो जाएगा, 10 minus 4, ठीक. तो 10 factorial 1 upon 6 factorial and 10 factorial, 10 into 9 factorial minus 9 factorial, 9 factorial taking out common, okay, divide by 6 factorial, and within bracket 10 minus 1, that is 9 factorial upon 6 factorial into 10 minus 1, 9. Now solve it beta, है ना. 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial divide by 6 factorial multiply by 9. 6 factorial got cancel out, so 9 9 is 81 multiply 8 7 is 56. So 81 and 56 got multiply, 81 56, 6 1 is 6, 6 8 is 48, 5 1 is 5, 8 5 is 40, 6 8 5 13, 1 carry, तो 4536 आ रहा है, ठीक है, 6 8 9 4536. So the possible numbers, possible permutations are 4536. ओके, तो टोटल जो 4 डिजिट के नंबर्स बनेंगे यूजिंग दीज डिजिट्स वो कितने होंगे? 4536 परमुटेशन होंगे. पॉज द वीडियो एंड टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट. Okay, now coming to question number 3. So question number 3 is how many 3-digit even numbers can be made using the digits 1 2 3 4 6 7. Question number 3, we have given the digits 1 2 3 4 6 7. 1 2 3 4 6 7. 1 2 3 4 6 7. Okay, and we have to make 3 digits even numbers. Okay, 3 digit even number हमें find करना है. How many 3 digits even number can be formed? Even number can be formed. So now I am going to solve this question by filling the box method. So we have to make 3-digit even number. So first we will make 3 boxes 1 2 and 3 because we have to make 3-digit numbers. ठीक है. Now 3-digit even number we have to make. So what is the condition for even number? Your unit place can be filled with, what are the option for this? This can be filled from these kind of given option. This can be filled as 2 4 and 6. Only 3 availabilities are there. Okay, 3 options are there to fill this box. Why? Because we have to make a even number. Okay, and we know that an even number, what is the condition for even number? The unit place will be either it can be 0, either it can be 2, either it can be 4 or 6 or 8. Okay, 0, okay, and 8 and yeah, these are the options 2 4 6 and 8 and 0. So if unit place is going to fill with these kind of digits, then the number will be even number. Okay, so out of these given options we have only 3 options to fill the unit place. What are the options? 2 4 and 6. So to make the even number we have only 3 options to fill the unit place. And since repetition is not allowed, repetition is allowed or not? How many digit? No digit is repeated. Beta, repetition is not allowed here. Repetition allowed nahi hai. So if we are going to fill any number here, so what are the options to fill this? Total numbers are 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, if one digit is fixed here, so this will be reduced to 5 option for the filling this box. And there are, after filling two numbers there, अगर 2 नंबर यहाँ पे फिल हो जाएंगे, so what are the possible options to fill the second box? There are only 4 options. Okay, there are only 4 options. So by fundamental principle of multiplication, what are the possible number of what are the possibilities? So possibilities are, arrangements are 5 multiply 4 multiply, and what are the options for filling this box? There are only 3 options because we have to make the even number. Okay, so we can fill it, either we can fill it 2, either we can fill 4, either we can fill 6 here. So there are only 3 options to fill unit place. So what are the possible number of arrangement? There are 5 into 4 into 3, that is 5 4 ja 20, 23 ja 60. Okay, there are 60 arrangements. Yeah, you can say 60 permutation. ठीक है. Now next question, question number 4. Find the number of 4-digit numbers that can be formed using the digit 1 2 3 4 5. Question number 4, we have given the numbers 1 2 3 4 and 5. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, we have 5 option here. And what I have to do? Find the number of 4-digit numbers that can be formed using the digits 1 2 3 4 and 5. If no digit is repeated, how many of these will be even? 2 condition है. First we have to make 4-digit number. Okay, so 4-digit number we have to make. So we will make 4 boxes here, 1 2 3 and 4. ठीक है. Since repetition is not allowed, okay, it is clearly seen that repetition is not allowed. So we are 5 option. Okay students, we are 5 options and we have to make a 4 digit number. So what are the possibilities to fill this first box? There are 5 possibilities because we have 5 options. Since repetition is not allowed, so what will be the possibilities to fill the second box? There is one option less because one is already fixed on this position. So this box can be filled with 4 with the help of 4 digits. And this box, what are the possibilities, what are the options to fill this box? There are 2 numbers already fixed, so possibilities is 1 less, that is 3 and this is 2. Options reduce होते जाएंगे, ठीक है. 5 options are available to fill first box. Since repetition is not allowed, so there are only 4 options to fill this one, and there are only 3 options to fill this one, and there are only 2 options to fill this one. So total number of permutation कितने हो जाएंगे? Permutations are 5 into 4 into 3 into 2, that is 120. ठीक है, there are 120 numbers. Okay, this is first answer. And second, how many even numbers are there? Even number कितने बनेंगे? So again make this. Okay, वैसे भी अगर 120 नंबर है तो just half will be even and just half will be odd. So 60 numbers can be even. So I am going to tell you by the help of filling the box method. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. To make even number, there are only 2 options to fill the unit place. So there are 2 options to fill this one. Okay, now if one number is fixed here, so the options are reduced. One option is reduced to fill this. So there are 5, 1 fixed here. So there are 4 options to fill this, and 3 to fill this, and 2 to fill this. Okay, so number of arrangement are 4 into 3 into 2 into 2. 48 numbers will be even. Okay, there are 48 numbers will be even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options we have. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2, 120 are total numbers of permutations. And even number, for even we have only 2 options. Okay, for even we have only 2 options to fill the unit place. Or after fixing one number here, one option is reduced to fill this box. So 5 options are there. If one is fixed here, so only 4 options is available to fill this box. And after fixing two numbers here, there are only 3 options to fill this one, and there are only 2 options to fill this one. So total number of options are 4 into 3 into 2 into 2, that is 44. 48 क्या हो जाएंगे आपके? 48 even number. ठीक है. So pause the video and take the screenshot. Now next question is question number 5. From a committee of 8 persons, in how many ways we can choose a chairman and a vice chairman, assuming one person can not hold more than one position? So from a committee of 8 persons, question number 5, we have a committee of 8 persons. Committee of 8 persons we have. Okay, and we have to make one chairman and one vice chairman. One chairman and one vice chairman we have to make. Okay, but the condition is no one person can hold 2 positions. Means if someone is selected as a chairman, so that he will not be able to hold the post of vice chairman. अगर एक आदमी चेयरमैन बन चुका है तो वो वाइस चेयरमैन नहीं बन सकता, because one person cannot hold 2 positions. It is the condition. Okay, so we can say that repetition is not allowed here. Okay, so total number of possibilities, total number of permutation are क्या हो जाएंगे बेटा? What are the permutations? 8 persons we have. Okay, we have 8 persons and we have to fill 2 positions. Listen, we have 8 persons and we have to fill 2 positions. So make 2 boxes. Okay, suppose this is chairman and this box is indicating vice chairman. Okay, so starting from chairman we have 8 option because we have a committee of 8 person, so there are 8 option to fill the chairman post. 8 option है आपके पास, 8 कैंडिडेट हैं, so there are 8 option okay to fill the chairman post. But if someone is selected as a chairman, if someone is selected as a chairman post, then there should be only 7 option left, then there will be only 7 option left for the vice chairman post, because one is already fixed ना, एक ने चेयरमैन की पोस्ट ले ली तो केवल 7 ऑप्शन बचेंगे वाइस चेयरमैन के लिए. सो दे आर ओनली 7 ऑप्शन लेफ्ट टू फिल द वाइस चेयरमैन पोस्ट. सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ परमुटेशन विल बी 8 × 7 दैट इज 56. ओके, अगर इसी को हम फार्मूले से करें, सो आउट ऑफ 8 वी हैव टू फिल 2 ऑप्शन. यही तो हुआ, out of given 8 we have to fill only 2 options and repetition is not allowed. So how many arrangements are there? So 8p2 arrangements will be there. So we can find it 8 factorial upon 8 minus 2, that is 6 factorial, that is 8 × 7 × 6 factorial. Stop there, divide by 6 factorial, 6 got cancel out, 8 × 7 that is 56 arrangement are there. Okay, so pause the video and take the screenshot. Okay, now question number 6. Question number 6 have 2 parts. Find and if n-1p3 n-1p3 ratio np4 equal to 1:9. Okay, it is given and we have to find the value of n. ठीक है, question number 6. 7 have 2 parts. So we know that, since we know that npr equal to n factorial upon n minus r factorial, so we are going to apply this formula here. So left hand side and right hand side we will take both the side simultaneously. So n-1p3 divided by np4 equal to 1/9. Okay, so apply the formula n-1 factorial divided by n-1 minus 3 है ना, n-1 minus 3 that is n-4 factorial upon n factorial upon n-4 factorial equal to 1/9. Now n-4 got cancel out, so n-1 factorial divided by n factorial equal to 1/9. Now see student, n-1 and n, which is greater number? N is greater na, n is greater than n-1, so we have to reduce n factorial. Okay, so n-1 factorial divided by n factorial, break it, so n into n-1 factorial, okay, equal to 1/9. n-1 got cancel out, so 1/n equal to 1/9. Now on cross multiplying we get n is equal to 9. Okay, this is the required answer. Okay, now question number 7 we have to find the value of r. Question number 7 first part, r की वैल्यू हमें फाइंड करनी है. we have to find the value of r and it is given that 5pr given है 5pr equal to twice 6pr minus 1 equal to twice 6pr minus 1. I am going to solve only one part, the second part you will solve yourself. So it is given that 5pr is equal to twice 6pr minus 1. Now apply the formula 5 factorial upon 5 minus r factorial equal to 2 times 6 factorial upon 6 minus r minus 1. देखिए 6 minus r minus 1 that is 6 minus r plus 1 that is 7 minus r. Okay, so don't be confused. Okay, so 6 minus r plus 1 that is 7 minus r factorial. Okay, now see 5 factorial upon 5 minus r factorial equal to 2 times 6 factorial upon 7 minus r factorial. Now you see that both side compare which number is greater. The number which is greater we have to reduce it. Okay, so in 5 and 6 5 is less, so remain is as it is upon in 5 minus r and 7 minus r which number is greater? 7 minus r is greater na, so write it as it is and break 7 minus 6. So 6 factorial can be expanded as 6 into 5 factorial. Okay, upon 7 minus r can be expand as 7 minus r into 7 minus r minus 1 करेंगे तो कितना मिलेगा 6 minus r, फिर 6 minus r minus 1 करेंगे कितना मिलेगा 5 minus r factorial and stop here. So now 5 minus r factorial cancel out with 5 minus r factorial, 5 factorial cancel out with 5 factorial, this amount goes here. So 7 minus r multiply with 6 minus r equal to 2 6 ja 12. Okay, now multiply it, 7 6 ja 42 minus 7 r minus 6 r and plus r square and coming 12 here, taking 12 in left side minus 12. So this is a quadratic equation in r square 6 to the 12 and 13 minus 13 time r 42 minus 12 30. Okay, now splitting middle term we get r square minus 10r minus 3r, okay, plus 30 equal to 0. So taking r common, r minus 10, and here taking out minus 3 as common, okay, r minus 10 equal to 0. So one factor is r minus 10, another factor is r minus 3 equating to 0. We got two answer of r, that is 3 and 10. Okay, so pause the video and take the screenshot. So question number 8. Now beta, coming to question number 8, how many words with or without meaning can be formed using all the letters of the word equation, using each letter exactly once? Equation is a given word. This is question number 8. Okay, question number 8, we have given a word equation. Okay, equation. Okay, we have to make how many words with or without meaning can be made using the letters of the word. Okay, there is no restriction that we have to use only 3 letters, only 4 letters. So we have to use all letters of the word equation. So how many words are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. There are total 8 words. There are total 8 letters. So we have to make words with or without meaning using the 8 letters of the word equation. So see student, there is no repetition of words. E, Q, U, A, T, I, O, N. All elements are districts. There is no repetition of elements. So we have 8 words, 8 letters, sorry. So 8 letters we have, and we are going to use 8 letters to make the words which are meaningful and meaningless. So how many permutations are there? How many permutations are there? So first, with the formula, we have 8 objects and we are taking 8 all. ठीक है, 8 ऑप्शन है हमारे पास and we are taking all 8 elements. ठीक है, to permutate, to find the number of permutations. मैंने बताया था आपको permutation की definition में. What is permutation? It is nothing but the arrangement of letters या words या objects in a definite pattern using some and all at a time. So here we are using all at a time. We have 8 options, we have 8 letters, and we are using 8 out of 8. So what are the possible number of permutations? Possible number of permutation are 8p8. So by the formula 8 factorial upon 8 minus 8 factorial, that is 8 factorial upon 0 factorial, that is 8 factorial are the possible number of permutations. Now second method, filling the box method. Filling the box या vacant space you can say. So we have to make 8 letter word. So we have to make 8 boxes. Okay, we have to make 8 boxes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. since repetition is not allowed here, so the very first box have 8 option to fill, the second one less because one is fixed here, and alternatively the third one is left 2 options, and the fourth we have only 5 option, the fifth we have only 4 option, the sixth we have only 3 option, the seventh we have only 2 option, the eighth we have only 1 option. So what is it? 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 8 factorial. Okay, I hope you will be able to understand the questions. Okay, so take the screenshot and pause the video. Now question number 9. So question number 9 is in how many words with or without meaning can be made using the letters of the word Monday. Now we have given the word Monday, M-O-N-D-A-Y. We have to use the letters of the word Monday. Okay, assuming that no letters is repeated, repetition is not allowed, but there are three conditions. 4 letters are used at a time, all letters are used at a time, all letters are used but first letter is a vowel. So we have given 3 conditions. Okay, 4 letters are used at a time, second is all letters are used at a time, and the third one is all letters are used but first letter is a vowel. All letters are used but the first is a vowel. So we have to find the number of permutations in 3 cases. Okay, first case, 4 letters are used at a time. So dear student, there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 letters we have. So out of 6 we are taking 4 letters at a time. So out of 6 we are taking 4 letters at a time. So number of permutations will be, the first answer is 6p4, because we have 6 options, 6 objects, but we are taking only 4 options at a time. So number of permutation will be 6p4, that is 6 factorial upon 6 minus 4 factorial, that is 6 factorial upon 6 minus 4, 2 factorial. So we can expand 6 factorial, 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 2 got cancel out. So what is the answer? 6 5 the 30 into 4 3 ja 12. 360 permutations are there, either you can say 360 arrangement are there in first case. Second case, all letters are used at a time. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, we have 6 letter and we have to use 6 out of 6 letter at a time. So number of permutation will be 6p6, that is 6 factorial. Okay, नीचे वैसे भी 0 factorial हो जाएगा, 6 factorial upon 6 minus 6, 0 factorial की वैल्यू 1 होती है, तो 6. So 6 factorial, that is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6 6 into 5, 6 into 5 कितना हो जाएगा बेटा? 30 into 12 into 2, 360 into 2, that is 720 arrangements are available there. Third case, all letters are used but the first letter is a vowel. First letter is a vowel. First letter is a vowel. So how many vowels are there? O, A. Only 2 vowels are there, na? Only 2 vowels. We can say, we can use the filling the box method. There are 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 options. So we have to make 6 boxes. 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So we have to use all the letters, but the condition is that the first letter is a vowel. First letter is a vowel, and there are 1 and 2, A, E, I, O, U. So there are only 2 vowels available in the word Monday. So the first one have only 2 options. Okay, but repetition is not allowed. So after fixing one number here, one letter here, there are 1 option reduced to fill the second box. So there are 1 2 3 4 5 6. So there are only 5 options left. to fill this box, and 4 to fill this box, 3 to fill this box, 2 to fill this box, and 1 to fill this box. So total number of permutation by multiplication fundamental theorem of multiplication is 2 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is 2 5 are 10 into 4 3 are 12, 12 2 are 24, 24 1 are 24. So there are 240 permutations in this case. Okay, listen carefully beta. Actually in third case all letters are used. We have 6 letters, so we can use 6 out of 6 letters, but the condition is the first letter is a vowel. The words which are started with vowels, we have to find such kind of words. So there are only 2 vowels, so the first box have only 2 options. Okay, why? Because we can only fill it the vowel here. So the first box have 2 options because we have 2 vowels in the letter word. Now if one letter is fixed here, so number of option to fill the second box is 5, because one is fixed here and repetition is not allowed, so one option is reduced. So after filling 2 options there is 4 options left to fill this box. After fixing 3 letters, there are only 3 options left to fill this box. So since here same condition, 2 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, there are total number of arrangement are 240. Okay, in this case when the word are starting with the vowel. Okay, so I hope you like the video. So there are only 2 questions left, question number 10 and question number 11, and both the question are homework for you. ठीक है, और अगर नहीं आएंगे then we will discuss it in the evening class. Okay, have a nice day beta. Thank you.